Welcome. If you want to change lock screen wallpaper in your VIVO X60 Pro, at first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to simply go right here and you have to tap on the lock screen and the wallpaper. Right now choose wallpaper, accept all the permissions, and as you can see in this place we can find all stock wallpapers. But when you tap on the right upper corner, we will be moved to our gallery. So if you want to set up, for example, picture from the gallery, like this one, you have to choose this frame. So we can take, for example, this part of our picture, like this one, and then select lock screen. Click on this marker and take a look right now. As you can see, I just turn off lock screen method. So let me just set up quickly the security code on my screen lock. I'm going to set up swipe. As you can see right now, my lock screen wallpaper has changed. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.